So the knowledge of Ayurveda is not limited to food. Okay, normally we know that everywhere that Ayurveda is just food, how to have food with some spices. That's what normally 90% of the people know about Ayurveda. If you have never studied it, then this is the, a kind of overview in the mind of people when it comes to Ayurveda. Just spices, food, some combinations, and that's it, right? Or maybe some oils, some herbs, and some massages, and kind of abhyanga, what we know about, right? This is what people know about Ayurveda. But Ayurveda is a life science. It is more than that, isn't it? It is not limited to food and spices, right? It is a lifestyle, how to live the life, right? If I will give you in one sentence the meaning of Ayurveda, which you can relate to your life is, as you guys have some kind of equipment, machines at your home, and whenever you buy that machines and equipment, you get a user manual, isn't it? A user manual comes with it, and you read it. And when you read it, you get to know that how to use this equipment well, isn't it? If you don't know that user manual, if you do not have that in your hand, and if you're using that machine, it will take either some time to learn how to use it, or maybe you will make it out of order very soon, isn't it? You will not use it wisely. And that is what exactly happening with all of us, right? We are here on the planet, a very good machinery, isn't it? A fantastic machine out of all, whatever we have on the planet. The human body is the fantastic machine, which you can see, but we do not have any user manual, isn't it? We do not take birth with one manual. Hey, read it, right? How I'm going to be, how you will operate me, how will you feed me, how will you nurture me. We don't have that with us, right? This is something which our ancient sages have given us, this freedom, this liberation, in the form of yoga and Ayurveda, to know ourselves, that how to live life happy and healthy, right? Otherwise, everyone is living, isn't it? It is not that if you do not have Ayurveda or yoga knowledge, you're not living. Yes, you are living, but where is the quality of life in it, right? The quality of life is no more there. It is like using a machine without knowing that how to use it, and then just making it out of order very soon, and you're not taking care of it. And then what is happening every now and then, if you're not aware of how to use that machinery, even if it is a car, vehicle, anything, then what is happening, most of your time is wasting in the maintenance, or you're going to all those mechanics, and for the maintenance of the same thing, or the equipment of the car, or anything you can say. Similarly, what is happening with our life right now is same thing. We do not know how to live life. We do not know how to use this body in this life. And what is happening, mostly our time is getting spent in our diseases, illnesses, doctors, isn't it? That's what we are doing in our life. Most of the time we are just going to the doctors, hospitals, and everything. If you go to the hospital, from outside it doesn't look like that, no, like it looks like that who will be there. But when you go into the hospital, any day, any given day, any point of time, forget about COVID, even before that also it was same, right? So if you go to hospital, any hospital, you will see they are full, right? No space is there. Why it is happening? Because most of the time we are into our garage, we are into our maintenance most of the time with the mechanics. So who are the mechanics? The doctors are the mechanics, right? Doctors are not engineers. Doctors are mechanics, isn't it? So we have to become our own engineers, because there is no other manual, right? The God is the only engineer who created us, but God cannot come in front of us to tell us that, hey, this is how you should live, isn't it? And that's why he have given a lot of sages and a lot of gurus to us, who have given a lot of science behind the life and everything. But we are not really bothered about listening to them and implementing those stuff. And we just want to live into this modern life as the way we want to. And this is the only thing that we are getting ill and getting diseased very soon. So we are definitely not living life at full with full potential, but we can. So some people are dying sooner. I'm just talking about a normal death and natural death. I'm not talking about traumas or accidents. So even the natural death now, people are dying very faster, very sooner than their normal range.